Hey guys, so it is the day before New York Fashion Week and I'm heading out to just a few events to kick things off and to kick off all the excitement. So it is the unofficial first night of it all. I am dressed up in this fabulous vintage Ellie Saab dress that I borrowed from What Goes Around Comes Around. I went there yesterday and I did a huge pull. I got to borrow all of these amazing vintage pieces, and then I'm just heading to a few events tonight, probably 3, maybe 4, depending on how long I can go. I never like to go too crazy on the first night of it all because I never want to wear myself out just when it's all starting. So I will show you guys the full look when I get out. I'm also going to a Roger Vivier event tonight, so they sent me these amazing platforms and a sparkly bag. So once I get out, I will show you guys the full look. So we're just leaving the TikTok Fashion Week kickoff event, and it's at the Moxie Hotel in the East Village. It was so much fun and the food was delicious. I ate so many appetizers because that's the thing with New York Fashion Week. You're running around so much you don't even have time to stop. So when you're at an event and they have food, you're like, do you want to try this? I was like, yes, yes, yes. So it was delicious. It was super cute. They also had stations featuring different emerging designers, which was amazing. So now we're heading all the way uptown to Roger Vivier on 60th Street. So I will see you guys there. So it is the second day of New York Fashion Week. Of course, yesterday I forgot my vlog camera, so any clips I got I just took on my phone, but we were running around. What did we do yesterday? We went to the Strathberry presentation, then I shot my look outside. It was so hot and I was wearing this amazing and fabulous fuzzy dress, but I was like sweating through the dress. And then I went to the Legence presentation at Gotham Hall, which was stunning. Then I went to a Wolf and Badger event party at their store, and then I ended my night at the Vogue party and Dave met me for the night. So now we're off to a busy start for day 2. I am wearing this fabulous dress from Kate Spade. I'm on my way to their presentation, and I have 3 outfit changes today. This is one of them, so I have 3 outfits total. So Kate Spade outfit also. This comes with a matching bag, which is pretty cool. And then I have to change for Christian Siriano, and then I have to change one last time for this designer named Mila Sullivan. It's her first Fashion Week show ever, so I'm really excited to go and support, but it's gonna be a busy day. It is about like a little after 9, and we're just gonna power through, but wish me luck. I can't wait to bring you guys along for everything, and I can't wait to show you guys my Christian Siriano look. So I just wanted to check in and give you guys a quick update. So we went to the Kate Spade presentation this morning, and it was so beautiful. It was outside on the High Line. Then I headed to lunch with the Instagram team, and it was so much fun just getting to sit for a second, eat some food, catch up with everybody, catch up with different creators and stuff during Fashion Week. And then I did a super quick outfit change in the bathroom at the lunch. It was at American Bar, and I put on this stunning Christian Siriano dress. We are on our way to his show uptown. It is his 15-year anniversary, which is crazy. And apparently there's a special guest performer. Don't know who it is, not sure. This is just like the whispers on the streets that I've heard. So I can't wait to see what it's all about. And I love this dress, and I'm so excited. Christian's always like one of my favorite shows of Fashion Week, so I can't wait to see everything, and I will check in with you guys later. We're just leaving Christian Siriano. It was amazing. Sia performed. It was unreal. Perfect. Feeling like a little fairy princess or flower.
Cupcake.
Little cupcake.
Yeah, it's kind of cupcake-like.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it.
I love the smell of fall in New York.
I know.
I love New York.
The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So I just wanted to check in and give you a little update. It is the 5th day of New York Fashion Week, so we are almost there. Tomorrow is the last day. and we've been running around. This morning I went to the Achenbach show, then I went to the Dennis Basso show and also shot my look at everything, and then I did a quick change in the Starbucks bathroom uptown on 3rd and 63rd, and I changed into this fabulous look that is from this brand called Milk, and there's also some gloves, and we're heading back downtown to Spring Studios for their show at 5, and I can't wait. I'm really excited. Last season was their very first show, and it was just so amazing, so I can't wait to see what they do this season. And I love this little dress. It also has little peaches on it, which are so cute, so when I get out I'll have to get like a little detail shot or something. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in because it is the last day of New York Fashion Week. It has been a marathon, but we are almost at the finish line. It's been so fun, and I've just been having such a great time seeing all of the different designers and catching up with friends. I always say that Fashion Week is like going back to school. It's a big reunion with all of your friends in the industry. So I already went to 3 events today, and I have 2 more left, and I only had 1 look today, no outfit changes, and I'm wearing sneakers, so it has been a very nice and comfortable day. But yeah, I can't believe it's already almost over. It's gone so quickly, and I've just been enjoying it so much, putting up my daily vlogs and my get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it all, and I will check back in at the very end.